This is Kaylee's 100 subscribers special.
Hey guys, welcome to our 100 subscribers special. Today, even though me and Carly are sick, we are going to be outside in this blizzard. Look around at all the snow. Take it all in. Okay guys, let's get ready to go outside in the blizzard. Leggings, let's go. Sweatpants, let's go. Fine jacket, let's go. Side boys, let's go. Snow pants, let's go. Socks, 2, let's go. 4, let's go. Okay guys, I just need to put on a hoodie and a jacket. I'm already hot, but I can only find one snow boot. And it's missing its laces. Okay guys, I found a different pair of snow boots. I'm gonna put these on. Alright guys, first thing we're gonna do is get some warm-up sledding in just in our backyard, okay? So this is just our little warm-up. Sit, go! Okay. What? Okay guys, it's my turn to sled. The wind is pushing it back. Guys, it's so cold out. We've been outside for what, 10 minutes? I already feel like my face is gonna fall off. Alright, guys. Cut this. Alright guys, now that we've practiced a little bit of sledding, we're gonna practice some snowboarding. We're gonna practice some snowboarding now, just before we get to the big slopes, because this is just our backyard. We haven't even seen the bigger slopes yet. Here we get up. Guys, don't judge. It's been a while since I've snowboarded. If you can't tell by how tiny this board is, it's been a while. So I can get my foot in. Alright, we're just gonna go for it. So we're gonna try again. Take 3. Actually, this is my first try. Ready? Go! Wait. Set, go! Go! I pushed her. No! Next up is Carly. Watch this. Or hold your abs, hold your stomach. Whoa. Wait. Whoa. Stop. There you go. No, Alright guys, we ditched the mics because that sounded really bad. So stop moving back and forth.
Sorry. It's good at angles.
No, we're going to build up this pile of snow that we have right here into a really tall ledge, sled off of that, and then we're going to walk all the way, zoom in all the way to that big giant mountain over there. That is going to be our ending destination for today. So you guys are gonna have to watch to the end of the video to find out how that goes. Alright guys, we're gonna see you when this pile is done. Okay guys, this is our slope that we built. No, it doesn't look like much, but it took us a long time. So I'm gonna sit up here and go down, and we're gonna see how that goes. Ready? 3, 2.
Okay, now you're going.
1. Hey guys, I'm gonna sit on it. Sit on it! Sit on it! I'm gonna try to. 3, ready? I'm just gonna go. You got it. Carly, just go. Okay, just copy me then. Alright, we're gonna go on my belly. And I'm gonna try and go that way. Because I keep going to the right. Ready?
Oh! Guys, I'm gonna make a transition for me to go down there. Oh my gosh, how did I just teleport here, you guys? It was Kaylee.
Alright guys, now that we're down here, and I don't feel like going back up for a while, we're going to do a Winter Olympics. Whoa! First section is first section of our Winter Olympics gymnastics.
Kaylee's floor routine. Oh goodness. Retake of Kaylee's floor routine.
Wait, cut it.
Fail. Retake for Kaylee's floor routine. Another fail. Another fail.
No, not done. One more.
Okay. Another fail. Oh, that was good.
And then pose. Okay. Now Carly is going to do her floor routine.
Okay, Kaylee's routine was good, I guess. So now it's my turn.
The smell.
I can't spring.
Next up on Winter Olympics, breakdancing. And not a lot of you guys know this, but I actually take a breakdancing class on Saturday morning.
Me too.
Oh yeah, Carly does too. So we're kind of pros.
Oh!
Baby freeze. Head spin.
Oh gosh.
Wait. Coffee grinder. Okay, cut the.
She's just swimming, bro.
Go. Carly, this looks really bad. I'm gonna be so honest, this looks really bad.
Don't listen to the haters, guys.
Okay guys, last up in our Winter Olympics, figure skating.
And there's a foul!
Go.
Get tired of bitches acting like they wanna know me. Bitch, I'm all alone.
Keep going.
Now he's got another 3 quads lined up here.
Restart.
You lost. Carly automatically wins. But I'm still gonna do it though.
Show must go on. Alright guys, we just took our last break. We've been taking a break every 30 minutes to like blow our nose because we're still sick. And it is like, I think last time we checked it was like 8 degrees outside. We are now going to the big hill. Carly, are you ready?
That big hill or that one? We should
That big hill. Okay guys, we're now walking to the big hill. And we're gonna walk through this little tree line right there. Wait, no,
I
be
just saw
serious.
something. No, I'm
No,
so
be
serious.
Wait, I actually see something moving. No, because they went on vacation. There's no cars out front, guys. Like their driveway is right there.
Yeah, and they told us that they went to.
Yeah, we're actually watching their dog right now. We're dog sitting for them right now.
So who is that?
There shouldn't be anyone there.
What is that?
Our dad actually told us not to go in this guy's backyard, which is where this massive hill is. We're walking through the trees now. I'm a little scared because we're kind of trespassing. But we're just gonna go on this hill and come right back because it's a big hill. And I've been on it before when I was like, did you hear that?
Was that the creature we saw earlier?
Guys, we see the hill. We're halfway there. We were walking for like a few minutes. Carly, did you hear that? No! Go back! Go back! Go back! I see our house. We're almost there. Carly had to take a break. Hurry up, we're almost home. Guys, look at the sunset. It's only like 5:09, but look how pretty that is. Carly, just pick it up and walk. I promise it's easier. Promise. I promise.
I'll get you out. Dad, wait, I'll get the money, I promise.
It's all worth it in the end. Carly, stop. No, stop! Okay guys, since Bigfoot came and we can't go down that big hill anymore, we instead, for our big finale ending of this video, don't click off now guys, because now we're going to add another bump like midway through our track, so then we go up and then up. We made our first hill even taller, and then we have a mini one right there. You have to like jump onto it. Carly didn't come fast enough, so I'm gonna try and hope I survive the boat. Are you ready? Go. Alright, let's go. You got this. Just go for it, yeah.
Okay guys, so Kaylee's fixing the track so we can actually go over the second bump, but my face is numb.
Go. Alright, let's try that again.
One winner, 42 losers.
Lean to the left! To the left!
I eat losers for breakfast.
You guys, she did it. She finally did it. For the 10th time.
Carly's last time.
I'm gonna sit this time.
Wow! Destroyed the bump that was there. Wait.
I know nothing could matter. Gosh, I wish nothing mattered to you. I'll take my pride. No, I'm not blind. Just sing
Can you grab that shovel? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like, hit that bell button, and comment down below your favorite part of today's video. And one more thing before you guys go. Make sure you subscribe. This is Kaylee's 100 subscriber special. If you want more of these, we gotta hit more milestones. Ready? Thank you!
Make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.